All right, so here it is. Here's my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. This is $147.75 worth of goods. It's all said and done. I had an overage, a moneymaker of $16.05. And as always, that total includes a tax, so we got to keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. So this is for the week of February 24th to March 2nd, or February 23rd to March 1st if you live up north. I live down in the southern part of Florida, the true BOGO area. So I'm going to be doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and do the deals the rest of the week. Today is Thursday, the first day of the sale, so I want to get this video out there. So let me get right into the first, or the best 15 or so deals I did this week. I thought they were pretty good deals, and they were, hence the big money maker here. So some of the deals I did before, and yeah, I did them again because some of them are about to go away pretty soon, so if you're going to do them right away. So Mountain Dew Rise is the first thing here. Did this before, and it is, I still had it in Publix digital coupon in my account, so it is regular price $3, $3.23 with tax, and then as you know, there's a free one, Publix digital coupon. If you got that clipped, it expires on the 26th, the 28th, so you got 2 or 4 more days to do it. So got to do them, and that's why I did that deal, and only cost me 23 cents. It's $3.23, $3 off from the Publix digital coupon, only cost 23 cents. Mountain Dew Spark, where's that guy? Right there. So I did this in actually 3 transactions, and I'm going to get into this. And you can do it in 2 transactions. Hence, I have 2 Mountain Dew here, and same thing. It was $2.19. So with tax, it came to $4.70 for both of those, and I used 2 free Publix digital coupons from 2 different accounts, of course, and I take off $2.19 each, and then Ibotta had 50 cents off as a rebate, and I actually got the one that said Major Melon, and then I changed it for the right one, but the Major Melon actually gave me 1,500 fetch points, so that was equivalent to another $1.40 off. So all in all, when I bought both of these, I had a $1.48 overage on those, because I had the fetch bonus of $1.40, a little more with fetch, but I'm not going to count that. And bought had $1 off. I used it last week. It came back as 50 cents. And then, of course, the digital coupons made it free, so hence the overage on that. Airwick, I did this before, and I did it again. So these, I have a Publix digital coupon for a free one. The regular price for these are $3.89. So if you buy 2 of them, it costs $8.38 when you factor the tax in. And the digital coupon took off $3.89. So for both of those, they only cost me 30 cents each, or 60 cents. Splenda Diabetic Shakes, did this deal again, and now I got chocolate. So there's vanilla, there's strawberry, and now chocolate. So this deal again came back in Ibotta. So the regular price for these are $9.99, and as you see, I got 3 of them. So that would make it $29.97. However, they're on sale till tomorrow, which is Friday, February 25th. They are on sale for $6.99. So when you buy 3 of them, comes to $20.97, and from this save January 2nd, hopefully you still got those around, and it expires on the 28th, so you get on it. Use 3 of those coupons and you get $12 off, and Ibotta has a limit of $3 off. That's another $9 off, making those a 3-cent moneymaker free. Once again, keep going with the chapstick. Yes, digital coupon on this as well. So these are by the register. They are $1.79 each. So for 2 of them with tax, cost $3.84. And I used 2 of these. As you know, that expires tomorrow. So if you're going to do these deals, do them right away. I'm glad you're watching this. Hopefully watching this before this deal goes away, and you've subscribed to my channel, and you get this video right away. So use 2 of those as in 2 separate transactions. And get $1 off one and $1 off of the other, and I had one digital coupon and another digital coupon in the other account, so in two separate transactions. These are different transactions, so it cost me 8-cent overage on those, or 16-cent overage for both of them. Nature's Bounty Zinc, once again, I did two of these deals. They are regular price for $5.99, and you got $3 off from the extra savings. It expires tomorrow, as we know, and there is a, from the save February 6th, there's $2 off of each one, and I did that in two transactions. You didn't have to do that in two transactions, but I split that up, and these are $5.99 each, the regular price. So for two of them cost $11.98, and you're getting back $3, $3, $2, $2. You're getting back $10. So it only cost me $1.98. Excedrin, broke this up. These were the two transactions too. This is $4.99 is the regular price, so for two of these cost $8.98. I used two of these from the extra savings. Once again, expires tomorrow. So two off of that one, two off of that box, and then my Publix digital coupon, two off of, and Publix digital, another Publix digital coupon for two off of there. So I recommend having two accounts, or even if you can have three accounts. Find your family member, whoever, spouse, husband, wife, whatever. So you can do the grocery shopping for them, and use all you need is a phone number and email to match up, and you're good. So these were $9.98, as I said, for both of them. $2 off from two of those store coupons. $2 off from two digital coupons, making that only 99 cents or $1.98. And as I said, I broke this up into three transactions. You could have done this and broke it up into two transactions. I purposely did it because I had this special competitor coupon. Always check your store to see what competitor coupons they accept. This is a Sprouts coupon, and once I reached $30, I got $5 off. So my totals were like $31, $34, $35, just going over $30 each time. So I utilized the strength of that $5 off a 30 coupon. So basically getting $15 off my $90 purchase, instead of just spending $90 and using only one of these and getting $5 off. I broke it up different. I went to one store, went to another store that was right down the street. I'm fortunate there's like 15 Publix within 20 minutes drive from where I live. So, yes, my demographic helps. So you probably won't have that. Don't get mad at me if you don't, but if you found that in the mail, or maybe you have a Winn-Dixie coupon, competitor coupon, or whatever. But I'm just showing you what I did. So that was what I was working up to, my $30. That's why I broke this up into three transactions. You could do this deal, break it up into two transactions, and you still will have a moneymaker on everything here. Another deal here, Cascadian Farms. As you see, two transactions. So there was a Publix digital coupon that I had clipped a while back because I knew it was going to be a good one, and I knew these would go BOGO, and of course they did right before the coupon expires. But they are regularly $4.69, so for 4 boxes, $4.69 times 4, you're looking at $18.76. However, they're BOGO this week, so buy one get one free, so they're half the price. They are $9.38 for these 2 boxes, or $4.69 for two, $4.69 for 2 boxes. Basically, that's what it is. And the Publix digital coupon is buy one get one free. And since I am in the true BOGO, the down south, they made them both completely free. So you gotta love that. And oh man, the deal almost got better. There was a peely on there for a free gallon of Publix or Greenwise milk. I should be sitting here with a gallon of milk. If you buy, this was actually on the cereal of Cascadian Farms. I found it, and it does say cereal, granola, or bars. And I was like, yes, I'm gonna get a free gallon of milk. And if I open it up, there it is. It expired a couple of days ago. And since it is have that lookup number right there, it will not go through. They could probably force it through by putting just a blank store coupon in there, but they did not accept it. So I was disappointed as that. And as you know in my videos, sometimes you get lucky, sometimes unlucky. I get lucky. That time it was kind of unlucky. I would have been happy to have a free gallon of milk, or in this case 2 free gallons of milk with that, and would have made my total grocery bill a lot higher than $147. But that's the way it is. Anyways, Chex Mix bars. I had a free one of these digital coupons. Probably not going to have it, but if you have it and you haven't used it, I recommend using it. Its regular price is $3.89. The Publix digital coupon takes $3.89 off. You know, when you see something in your Publix account as a free digital coupon, clip it. I recommend clipping every digital coupon. Why not, right? Why not? Then you won't miss any of the deals. It might take a while to clip them all, but it's possible. You can probably do it. Let's keep it moving. Success rice here. So I got 4 boxes. These are $2.15 each. So for 4 of them, costs $8.60. You know, the ibotta rebate varies. I know some people might have $1.75 back on each box. I had $1.50 back on each box. So for 4 of them, that made me $6 off. There's also 25 cents off of any Success or Minute rice, a limit of 5. And as you see, I got 4 boxes, so that took another 25 cents off times 4, took another $1 off. And then you reach a bonus if you do 2 rebates. So I had that, so I got a 50-cent bonus. I know some people have a 75-cent bonus or a $1 bonus. So you're going to do better than me. You're going to have a better coupon heist here than me, I hope. I mean, that'd be really cool. But I had a 50-cent ibotta bonus and also a 25-cent minute rice bonus. So spending $8.60 for these 4 boxes and getting back $6 from ibotta, $1 from ibotta, 50 cents from ibotta, and 25 cents from ibotta. That made me spend only 85 cents for these 4 boxes. So still an unbelievable deal. And obviously it helped me reach my $30 threshold, so I got another $5 off when I did that deal there. Keep it going here. Good Culture cottage cheese. There it is. We got those. No, let's see. We're going to talk about those. Good Culture cottage cheese. So I got 8 of them here, and they were... Actually, I got 10 of them. So I got 10 of them. There's 3. Yes. I got 10 of these guys. So, you know, you can pretty much get as many as you want if you keep going, if you do more than 1 transaction. The limit is 2. Let me get right into it. So they're $1.66 each. For 10 of them, cost $16.60. But they're BOGO, so it cost $8.30 for 10 of them. Or let's just say for 2 of them, cost $1.66. Let's make it easy. 2 of them cost $1.66 because they're BOGO. And then there is from the couponing network here, and I got the link and a detailed breakdown below, so you can print this coupon and you can follow everything I'm saying, because sometimes I'm talking facts. So you can print this coupon, and it's $2 off of 2 Good Culture products. So that'll take $2 off. So you spend $1.66, you get $2 off. That is a 33-cent overage on that. Since I bought 10 of them, because I did multiple transactions, I was able to buy 10. The most you'll be able to buy is 2, because the coupon states a limit of 2 coupons. So you'll be able to buy 4. Sorry, you'll be able to buy 4. So me breaking this up in a new transaction, you know, for this guy to work, I broke it up in 3 transactions. So you can do that, and you're gonna have, well, I had $1.70 overage moneymaker when I bought 10 of these. There's no pin number on this. You can print it, I guess, as many times as you want. You can just only use 2 at a time. You'd have to come back another day or another store, whatever you like. Skinny Girl Preserve. So here we go on these guys. These are $2.99, and their swag bucks has 300 points back, which is equivalent to $3. And there's a new one. I think Holly Dean had this. It's called My Points. It's another app like Swagbucks, and I did it today. I downloaded it, and sure enough, Skinny Girl was on it. It is a mirror of Swagbucks. Everything looks exactly the same. So these are $2.99, and you get $300 points back from Swagbucks, which is equivalent to $3. So making those free. And then when I did the My Points, has 510 points back, which is a little more than $3. It's like $3.15 or whatever. And actually, I got 800 points for signing up today, so that was like another $5 off. So for 2 of these, that was about a $5.15 overage on both of these. And as I did these in 2 transactions, it won't work if you do them on the same receipt. But as you know, I did 3 transactions today to utilize my $5 off a 30 coupon. So I had no problem with that, and I've already got the money back from both of them, actually, or the points back from both of them. All right, keep going. I like this deal. This was the Shick 4-count extreme sensitive men's razors. Their regular price $7.99. So with tax come to $8.59. And then from the Smart Source, February 20th, the coupon is missing. It's right here. I used it, but it's $4 off of. That's actually in the picture. $4 off a disposable razor. So use that. And then I went over to coupons.com and got $4 off my $4 rebate as well. So costing me only 59 cents for that guy right there. Last Dale Band-Aid gauze. So these are $1.99. There was a $1.79 one, but I haven't seen it around. So these are $1.99. So as you see, I got 4 of them. Cost me $7.96. I used 2 of these coupons. They expire tomorrow, so get right on it. And then from the Smart Source February 6th, there's 75-cent manufacturer coupon. I used 2 of those because I did 2 different transactions. Took off $1.50. So spending $7.96, getting back $6 from the store coupon, $1.50 from the manufacturer coupon, only making 46 cents spent for all 4 of those. And once again, yes, it helped me reach my $5 off of 30 competitor coupon. So once again, 100 and almost about $150 here worth of goods, and I had an overage moneymaker of over $16. So once again, please subscribe to that funny looking guy right here so you can get all these deals. Here's more good deals. I'm going to try to post a good deal for the Extra Savings book, which is coming out on Saturday, so there'll be some good deals. I know a lot of these deals end Friday, so don't worry, there'll be some good deals coming out on Saturday. Once again, 52 weeks a year. I mean, you can look at my past paid to shop videos. Every week I'm leaving with a moneymaker, and this was a pretty good one. So once again, paid to shop.